Hello there, this is Jesus Esparza. I found this at Walmart, just in time for the holidays, and those are the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Blizzard Bashers. Wow, these are pretty neat. These are the 5 for Blizzard Bashers of Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, Hot Wheels Delivery, Town Hauler, Toy Geek Terror, Shark Week, and Podium Crasher. Yep, those are the 5, and let's get ready to review it. Man. Okay, the first one here, it's Hot Wheels Delivery on a Blizzard Bashers design, and looks pretty neat. Got the ice crystals on it, and yeah. And it comes with a flag. And yep. This is just like the Hot Wheels Delivery on the original design back in last summer this year. And on the holidays or winter weather or something. Now we have the kind of Hot Wheels Delivery on a Blizzard Bashers, and yeah. And wow, the tires look sweet. The next one is Town Hauler. Yeah, I really wish Hot Wheels and Mattel should make the Town Hauler on the original design. Just an original design. Since Town Hauler was in Camo Crashers and now the Blizzard Bashers. But I was looking forward to see Hot Wheels and Mattel should make Town Hauler as the original design. That could be great. Hopefully they make it. And yeah, let's take a look at the Town Hauler on the Blizzard Bashers, and it looks like they have a fish and a fishing pole on top of it, and there's a kind of tiny bit of hole to go fishing on the winter weather. That's kind of neat. And those tires, wow, they look cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. And the other one, Toy Geek Terror. Toy Geek Terror on a Blizzard Bashers design, and a lot of snow and all that, and the tires looks blue, kind of like purple, but it was blue. But yeah, Toy Geek Terror. Lots of the windstorm, and very cold. Yeah, that's kind of nice. A Toy Geek Terror on the Blizzard Bashers. Another one, Shark Week. Wow, this is a very cool design of Shark Week on the Blizzard Bashers, and wow, you may check it out. A shark comes out of on the icy water or something, on the icy ocean or something, or I don't know. And that's a very cool design of Shark Week of the Blizzard Bashers. And finally, Podium Crasher. Podium Crasher on a Blizzard Bashers, and I bet there's a 5 on it, and it has with number 5 on it. You can see it from the hood. Yeah, I'm not sure what could be look like on the original design. Hopefully Hot Wheels and Mattel should make Podium Crasher on the original design. Yeah, we are mostly looking forward for the original designs of those. So hopefully doing it, and yep, this is a Podium Crasher and on a Blizzard Bashers, and yeah, that looks very neat. Okay. These are the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Blizzard Bashers, and just in time for the holidays and on the winter weather. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you all soon.